Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Mute yourself. Who is this? Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
What did we do today?
Yes, what we'll do today? Okay, tell me what we did yesterday. You were there in class?
Ma'am, detail first. Ma'am, we have a notebook. Ma'am, yesterday you have make us, ma'am, mark the second answer in the book.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am,
Tell me how many of you have not done even first question?
Ma'am, me.
ma'am, my second one is left.
Second is left. So all of you have done the first one.
Ma'am, my question 3 left.
Yes, ma'am, I have not done first one.
Ma'am,
Has not done. Only Pranav has not done.
ma'am, my
No,
camera is
Pranav.
not opening.
दिखोगी दिखो मत
Oh,
Ma'am,
good morning. Yeah. Who is Aradhya? Why is Aradhya here in 4th C? Is there any Aradhya in your class?
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
new student. It is a newcomer.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
It is a newcomer.
ma'am, it is showing that I can't open my camera.
Okay, no problem, Yashmit. You can sit like this. I'm sharing screen with you for question 1 and question 2. Those who have not done question 1, you may please do it from here.
Ma'am, this is a rest period.
Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Period.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, today we will do detail answer 3.
Better 2 also we have to do. Yesterday we only discussed, maybe you have written. I told you that we'll be writing today in class. If you have
Okay,
done, then
ma'am.
you have to wait for others.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And this is question 1. Everybody start doing from here, those who have not done. Chapter 12. Answer the following in detail.
Now, what you have written after Kedar and
Where? Siddhar
ma'am in
and
answer to
chestnut. Chestnut.
ma'am, what is the spelling?
What is the spelling of chest?
CHEST. Ma'am, I can understand after CHEST. Ma'am, chest or chest? Ma'am, I have all 3 details. Ma'am,
What?
ma'am, I have done all the 3 details.
Very good, beta. Very good. Now, what you will do? You will sit quietly in the class. Okay? You will not disturb anyone.
Scroll down. Ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, in answer to what you have written after trees grow in the
Trees grow in the lower regions of Uttarakhand.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, I've done Gaurav.
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am,
not
I've done.
written. Ma'am, you have not.
What, beta? What?
Excuse, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have not written the last line that there are fruits are also grown here.
Okay. You add on that line. Fruits
Okay.
are also grown here.
Ma'am, what you have written after the salt, teak, and
Shisham. Shisham. Shisham.
Ma'am, ma'am, rhodod and dendra are different words or they are same.
Same, beta, same.
Ma'am, in the second question, what is written after such as fine?
Such as in second question,
Yes, ma'am.
pine, spruce, oak, cedar, chestnut.
ma'am, I have done answer 2. I'm writing question 3. Written question. Ma'am, I have
Ma'am, this
done
is the
Bhavya.
ma'am, this is the whole in answer to ma'am. This is the whole answer, or we have to write more.
Just one more line you have to add that fruits are also grown here.
Ma'am, done Bhavya. Ma'am, done. I have written the next answer also. sorry, ma'am. Next question. Question number 3.
Already finished this chapter.
Ma'am, please see the chat box.
Ma'am, done Arav.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, what is written after and in ballet and in second question?
After
After ballet and.
what is barley? The sal, teak, shisham, and dhak trees grow in the lower regions of Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, please scroll
Then
down.
answer to.
Beta, those who have done, it is a sincere request that please keep quiet and wait for others to finish.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the second question, what is written after mice?
Ma'am, can we do drawing? Drawing till that time?
After maize,
Ma'am?
the second question, barley.
Ma'am, please
B-A-R-L-E-Y. Yes, Bhave, do.
Okay. Ma'am, but which?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but which
Ma'am?
drawing?
Beta, your choice. Bhave, your choice. Yes. Who is saying, excuse me?
Ma'am, I'm Yashmit.
Haan. Say, beta.
Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, we will not draw any diagram in this chapter.
No, beta, not for now.
Okay,
We'll
ma'am.
do map work.
Ma'am, can you tell the last line?
The last line here is, in the hilly regions, maize, barley, rice are grown on terraced fields. And after this, you have to write, fruits are also grown here.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we write like
We write like what?
and fruits are also grown here like the
Ma'am, please scroll
No.
up for 1 minute.
You can put a full stop and then the last line. Fruits are
Ma'am,
also
please
grown here.
scroll up for 1 minute. Ma'am. Ma'am, it's not written like that. In book, it is written like fruits are also grown in some regions, and you said that we will write like this only.
Beta, so if you write some regions or if you write fruits are also grown here, it is one and the same.
Ma'am, please scroll up
Do you know there are torches in which we put the cell and then it works?
Where
But
are
ma'am,
torches
there is
being
one
put?
kind of torch in which, ma'am, there are torches in which we put the cell and then it works. But ma'am, now there are torches that works from our hand heat.
Okay,
The
very
heat
nice.
comes from our comes from our body, ma'am. It works from that.
All right, okay.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, I am saying that I am not able to see the last line in the second question. Maybe scroll up.
Everyone has done this page now?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Anyone who is
Oh,
still
ma'am.
doing?
Yes, ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, you can underline the answer.
Ma'am, I have done the second one. Ma'am, please scroll down.
What, beta?
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Ready for the next page now, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
Ready. Okay.
Ma'am, I am also ready.
Very good. Very good.
No, ma'am, not now.
Not now. Why not? Bhave, you had done so long back, like you said you've already done.
Ma'am, but I am doing again.
Again. Now see from where you have already done. Okay, I have removed the screen. I have changed it. Get ready to write the next question. Everyone has a map of India, whether political or physical.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
have both Ashra Agarwal. Yes,
In the next
yes, ma'am, but-
period, in the 5th period, we are going to do map work. Okay, so everybody will be ready with the map, colors, black pointed pen, and all.
But ma'am, I don't have a black pointed pen.
No problem. You can use a black, dark black pencil.
Sorry, ma'am, I mean so that
Or ma'am, sketch pen.
I have to find it.
No, beta, sketch pen would be too thick to write on a map. It will be too
And
thick.
ma'am,
Ma'am, gel pen. Ma'am, gel pen.
Yes, gel pen would be fine.
and ma'am,
I
can
will
we?
go and purchase one.
Aradhya Singh, mute yourself. Aradhya is listening to music and doing her work. Huh? She's
And ma'am,
having a good time.
and ma'am, after doing the map work, can we stick the map in our SSD copy?
Yes, you have to do that.
Ma'am, if I do like this, I will be disturbed so much because now I can't hear music when I'm doing some work,
Yes.
drawing or anything.
But this is why girls are called multitasking, good at multitasking. So she's listening to music, she's writing also, and she's not being disturbed.
Ma'am, I like music. I don't say that I don't like music. Ma'am, I like music, but in the free time when I am not doing anything.
Yes, very good. That's also very nice. You must concentrate on only one thing. When you're doing something,
Ma'am,
just do one.
my mother
Hmm.
mother is getting angry. Why are you not doing that, this, that? Ma'am, I do some work of that, some work of that, and again some work of that, again some work out.
You do many things together, so she gets angry.
No, ma'am, when I not do, when I play games in the phone,
Okay.
and then not do. Mama, I've done.
Very good.
Ma'am, this
You have
written-
leave done the line. Leave that line.
Which line I have left?
Ma'am, after Himalayan range.
It lies in the Himalayan range. Now I have changed the paragraph. It's in the new paragraph that I have written.
Ma'am, we will not write.
Ma'am, I
this-
have done
that
Rana.
Dashara is it's.
No, we are
famous
talking
festival.
about, see, we are talking
Ma'am,
only
I
about,
have
beta, be quiet. We are only talking about the location. So we have told where it lies. And second thing we are supposed to talk about is the people.
Okay, ma'am.
So we've spoken about the people, what they speak, what they wear. That's all.
Ma'am, in the
Ma'am, I Daksh Pratap Singh had done.
ma'am, what is excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, what you written after Punjabi?
Kinnauri. K-N-N-A-U-R-I. Kinnauri.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what you have written after Pahadi?
Full stop. Then the next line is long robes, shawls, and scarves.
Ma'am, after Punjabi, you have written K-U-M-A-O-N-I.
K-I-N-N-A-U-R-I. Kinnauri.
Ma'am, what you written after long?
Ma'am, like first para is ma'am ended like Himalayan range.
Yes.
So ma'am, we have to write from next line only, or
Ah.
ma'am after that.
Next line. Right from the next line. And I have written long robes. R-O-B-E-S.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this question, the second last line after where you written Karta.
Kurta.
Okay.
Ma'am, what language is written after Punjabi?
Beta, Punjabi. Kinnauri. K-N-N-A-U-R-I.
Ma'am, can you please dictate the spelling, because ma'am I can't like
K-I.
see clearly.
Okay, listen. K-I-N-N-A-U-R-I.
Ma'am, I have done the work. Thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, I have done the work.
Okay, those who have done, beta, this was all for this period. What you will do now, you can leave the class. And those who are doing can still continue to do their work.
Ma'am, can you tell after wear kurta?
Kurta, pajamas, P-Y-J-A-M-A-S. Men
Ma'am,
wear
what you have written after long?
long robes, R-O-B-E-S.
the last line you written Himachali caps.
Yes, Himachali caps.
मैम डन जिसका मैं सिंग करेगा
Ma'am, I have done. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Ma'am, I have done, but I am drawing. Ma'am, but I am doing drawing.
Okay, beta.
मैम I have done I'm leaving
All right. Bye.
Ma'am, I have done. I am leaving the meeting.
Okay, beta. Now, those who will do it, who will complete it, will leave the meeting by themselves. Okay?
ma'am we can leave
Ma'am, after this we have to send on a group.